Hey y'all, we're back with another video. Today I am making resin earrings, and you already know the deal. If you use resin, you have to do the same quantity of each bottle, part A and part B. So if you use 2 ounces of part A, use 2 ounces of part B. Now we are just mixing until it is a smooth and thin consistency, no streaks. And now this is our mold that we are using for our earrings. Usually when you use flowers in it, you have to use a drying agent, but I didn't do it this time just because these are gonna be my earrings, so it's all right. Just next time, if I do make them for someone, I know that I have to use a drying agent. Honestly, resin is all about how you want to make it look. So I'm literally just trying to fix it up as I go. And I do use my Heatgun to get rid of the bubbles. And I think I'm gonna try to start using like alcohol and spraying it over, just because I've heard that over time, if you do use a heat gun, it will ruin your molds, and I'm not doing that. So but here I am making the other earrings. Same thing. I put flowers in there, and now next step, we are going to file. Also, another thing, make sure you wear your gloves while you are filing, while you are doing resin in general. I know I forgot to. I did spray some gloss over them, and then I dried them with my heat gun just to speed up the process. And then here I am putting the hooks on, putting it all together. And this is how they turned out. I am super obsessed with them. I love them.